prospects for the enhancement, development, and preservation. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Faisal Javaid, Assistant Professor, Department of International Relations, to talk about Pakistan and Poland relations. Please come to the stage.
Your Excellency, Mr. Pisarski, the Ambassador of Poland to Pakistan, and Dr. Asghar Dashti, Head of Department, International Relations, Federal University. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we gather to mark the 16th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Poland, shaped by their unique geopolitical diplomatic relation between Pakistan and Poland. Both nations shared by their unique geopolitical landscapes. Both countries have faced challenges due to their geographical locations, but have also benefited from strategic positioning, accessing vital trade routes, fostering cultural exchanges despite being caught in conflicts not of their making. Pakistan and Poland have shown resilience and avenues for collaboration. Since 1962, Pakistan and Poland have maintained cordial relations, yet the true potential of this relationship remains largely untapped. The current bilateral trade volume, more than 370 million, favoring Pakistani exporters, hints at vast opportunities for growth, especially in renewable energy, IT, and textile. One thing I want to tell you, in 1971, Poland was the seventh big trade partner of Pakistan. Notably, the absence of high-level visits, with only one recorded by Pervez Musharraf, who was the president of Pakistan, underscores the need for a paradigm shift in our diplomatic engagement. This shift can find its incentive in the academia realm. Academia stands as a cornerstone for fostering collaboration between nations. A shining example is the historic joint international conference between Department of International Relations, Federal University, and the Institute of Political Science, University of Warmia and Mazuri in Olsztyn, Poland. The conference provided a platform for both countries to present research papers, laying the groundwork for future academic partnerships. Looking ahead, our focus is on the next conference in Poland, scheduled for May 2024. This aims to transcend traditional academic boundaries involving the business community and IT sectors. Such initiatives often track to diplomacy, create an environment for official collaboration by engaging various sectors. The collaboration between academia is not just about exchanging knowledge, it's about building bridges for a deeper understanding between our nations. It nurtures an environment where ideas flow freely, transcending borders and fostering a shared purpose. As we celebrate 6 decades of friendship, let's pay homage to the Polish officers who, through their roles in our Air Force and Pakistan Navy, safeguarded our skies and seas. Their legacy lives on in our city, a testament to enduring bonds forged through shared history. Let us raise a glass to the next 60 years of a thriving friendship between Pakistan and Poland, a friendship that is built on pillars of mutual respect, understanding, and cooperation. Thank you so much.